Imagine you are creating a report in LaTeX and suddenly you have a very wide table or large figure that simply doesn't fit on a normal page. Normally, documents are in portrait mode, where the page is taller than it is wide. But sometimes we need extra horizontal space. That's when the landscape environment becomes useful. The landscape environment temporarily rotates the contents of specific pages by 90 degrees, making the page wider than it is tall. Okay, by the end of this lesson, you will know how to create landscape pages, when to use them, and the difference between Lscape and Pdflscape packages. Let's begin with simplest example. First, we will load Pdflscape package using \use package Pdflscape. Now write this is a normal portrait page. So whenever we want our page to appear in landscape orientation, we simply write begin landscape and end it with end landscape. Everything between these two commands is displayed on a landscape page. After the environment ends, the document automatically returns to the portrait orientation. Now let's learn landscape table. Begin tabular and insert the code of a huge table which is of landscape. Okay, now I'm making the table. Landscape pages are especially useful for white tables. Instead of reducing the font size or splitting the table into multiple pages, we can rotate the page itself. This keeps the table readable and makes the document look more professional. Now moving toward landscape figure. For this purpose, you have to load the package GraphicsX. Now write the code for figure. as you can see that landscape pages are not only limited to tables, they are also useful for large figures, engineering drawings, maps, architectural plans, and scientific diagrams. So using a landscape page allows these graphics to be displayed at a larger size without losing quality or readability. So next thing that we are going to discuss is the difference between Lscape and Pdflscape. There are two commonly used packages, Lscape and Pdflscape. The Lscape package rotates the content, but when you open the PDF, you may still need to rotate the page manually in your PDF viewer. Whereas Pdflscape package not only rotates the content but also tells the PDF viewer to display the page in landscape more automatically. For this reason, Pdflscape is generally the recommended option. So use the landscape environment only when necessary so your document remains clean, consistent, and easy to read. And I'll see you in next LaTeX lesson.